Hi everyone, so I am in Dublin airport at the moment and I'm heading to London Gatwick from Dublin, and today I will be traveling with Ryanair and I will be doing a quick review about my journey with Ryanair today. So please follow me. So I've just passed security. It was a little bit busy. It took me about 15-20 minutes roughly. And now I'm heading towards the duty-free area. So I'm heading to my gate number 104. So it's about 18 minutes walk, and I found myself here. So it's very nice. It's quite a little market with a lot of delicatessen shops. Hi again. So I will be talking to you a little bit about Ryanair before I board my flight today. So Ryanair Holding Group consists of a few different subsidiaries. So there is the Ryanair, there is Air Malta, there is Lauda, and there is always Buzz. So as we all know, so Ryanair is the main airline that operates from different European bases, and also it goes to different routes in Europe, North Africa, Israel. And the fleet that they mostly use, so they use the 737 MAX, the Boeing 737. Then there is Lauda, which is based in Malta, and it does use the Airbus A320s mostly. And then we have Buzz, which is a Polish subsidiary, and it does use the 737-800. So here you can see a few Ryanair aircraft. So they are the Boeing 737, and today we will be traveling in one of them as well, which I will be filming from the inside. So as you can see, the instructions are glued on the back of the seats. Here you've got a barcode for the menu to be checked, and there is no pockets here on the back of the seat neither, and as well there is no button here to hold the coats, and the seats fortunately doesn't recline. So as you can see, the entire cabin overhead lockers, they have advertisement posters advertising different cities. be telling you about my experience with Ryanair today. So we have departed on time from Dublin and arrived on time as well, so no delays at all, which is very good. Now my experience on board the aircraft, unfortunately the seats, they were not comfortable. We were not able to recline them. They were not reclinable at all, and they did not have any jacket or coat holders on them. The back seats, they didn't have any pockets on them for the passengers to use, and the safety instructions leaflet, they were glued on the back seats, which I think it's very good from one side, so the airline doesn't lose them and they don't get damaged, and it's much easier for the passengers to read because it's in front of them. And the other thing that I have noticed as well, that all the overhead lockers on the whole cabin, they were full of advertisement posters. They were advertised in different cities, which I found a little bit strange to me. But again, it's a way for the airline to increase some revenue as well. And the other thing as well that I have noticed, that unfortunately after the service, that was very quick and efficient, the cabin crew, they have passed in the cabin with plastic bags to clear the rubbish, which unfortunately I did not find professional. I would have preferred if they would have passed with a trolley. It looks much better. And also during the service I have requested a tea, and they only had a black tea, so the English breakfast tea. They did not have any herbal teas at all. And yeah, so this is my experience for today. And yeah, so if you can subscribe to my channel to be able to get notified on my next videos, you will find a link just here on the video. So if you can subscribe and follow my page on YouTube, and you will get notified on the next video. So I'll be doing 2 videos a week. And thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely day.